When summer heat hits hard, your pool is the perfect escape, but extreme temps can take a toll. Use these quick tips to keep your water swim ready. Skim the water daily to remove debris and dead bugs. Give your filter a midsummer refresh. Hose off cartridge filters or backwash your sand or DE filter. Check chlorine and pH levels every few days and adjust as needed. Even at the height of summer, a pool cover helps conserve water, reduces chemical use, and keeps debris out. Keep your water level at the midpoint of the skimmer opening to help your pump and filter work properly. Shock your pool to fight buildup from sweat, sunscreen, and bacteria. Maintain chlorine, brush weekly, and run the pump to prevent algae. If algae blooms, hit it with algicide and another round of shock. As the heat drags on, don't let your pool maintenance routine slip. A little upkeep now keeps it crystal clear through the last swim of summer. Christmas Central has the maintenance equipment and chemicals you need to keep your pool in top condition. Plus, loads of pool floats and water toys to make the most of your pool all season long.